Hey, welcome back to MythBusters. Today we're here to bust the myth about the tax credit. It's been quite confusing lately with the House trying to pass a bill eliminating the residential tax credit. The residential tax credit gives you 30% off of your system and giving you either a refund or reducing your tax liability. So you can see it's a major part of your system's cost. Now this bill has went to the Senate and they have not voted on it yet. In fact, they have been trying to change it. So we don't have the exact facts. But if the bill was to pass the way it's set up right now, if you do not have a system installed by December 31st at the end of the year, you will not be eligible to get the tax credit. Now, keep in mind that it takes almost 45 days to get a permit. So if you're thinking about going solar and want to reduce the cost of the system, you're going to have to act quickly. If you have more questions, please feel free to contact us, and we'll be glad to answer everything that we can. Thanks again.